Welcome again. Welcome to this session. Uh, Tonight I just want to play again another Seben, which is chromatically oriented. As I said, this is a season for chromatics. Not fully chromatics, as I always say, just to bring in some flavor, some good flavors, chromatics flavors in Seben. And as I always say, every Seben is valid. Every Seben is valid. So I'm just doing this tutorial to encourage someone so that you can also try and build your own Seben. Remember, build your own Seben with confidence. Yeah, this time we are doing it slow, a bit slow and simple. Slow and simple, but sweet. Always remember to keep Seben sweet. Thank you. Yes. I was really enjoying myself, and as you can see, I've improvised a lot of things. Seben is sweet. It is very, very sweet. And as I said, all you need is to play according to the rules. Seben is about knowing your pattern, knowing the formula. Like this one was 1-4-1-5. Simple. Keep it simple. Don't bring many complications. Try to get it sweet. Yeah, the aim is to make someone dance. That's why we play Seben at the end of every song. Not at the beginning, at the end of the song. So that people can dance. They can join the artist. And as I always said, you only need a good drummer, a good rhythm player, a good bass player, and a good Seben can go. Even a good keyboard, yes. But don't forget the atalaku part. Now, for those who like to see and know exactly what I was doing, I was playing at, on which key? F. This was F. So, as you can see, it is F perfect. So, let me come nearer so that you can get it. You start with again the 2 fast strength. Then you go, you can see, or you can start from higher, then so I start again. Then the chromatic, that's where it comes in. Then again chromatics. You get it? You start again up here. Now, as I try to go faster. That's the whole pattern. That's the whole pattern. Now what we call detente, the second part of the Seben is now at the second inversion, the second and the third strength, then third and fourth. You see? Then again, then you get? Or so as much as possible, we are just trying to keep the chromatic element in. So let me try the second part first a bit. Okay, so let me try and play both. I think you've gotten it. Yes, let's go back again and enjoy ourselves. Get some good time. yes. So, I love what I'm doing, but also remember that I am born again. I love Jesus Christ as my personal Savior, and that's why I'm using the talent for His own glory. So, you can also start working on your own Seben, as I've been working on mine. Work also on your own. I hope you are inspired, and let's meet next time. May God bless you. Ciao.